Good evening. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for July 17th to 29th, July 17th to 21st. The pattern will transition to a ridge in the west, trough in the east, and this will occur as this active northern stream brings energy from the Pacific and carves out a trough over the eastern U.S. You're looking at the GFS, and we're starting to look at the rest of the models. This is what it starts out on the 17th, and then we go through time, and you start seeing this strong ridge here, 594 DM ridge over the Great Basin, and you start seeing a trough being carved out here. And we go to the end of the period. This will be the 21st. This will be next Saturday. You can see there's a little bit of a trough here across the eastern U.S. During this period, showers and storms will be possible associated with a frontal boundary across the northeast to the southeast. Some of the rainfall could be heavy. The front is expected to stall across the southern plains to the southeast and will be the focus for locally heavy rain and storms. Monsoonal moisture will affect the southern Great Basin to the central Rockies, and temperature will be below normal from the northern Great Plains to the east. The ridge in the west will result in well above normal temperatures for the west. Now, the period for July 20th to 24th. Here we are at the 22nd. Little change is expected with the circulation. We still have the strong ridge over the west. We have a trough here in the east. Still a little bit above normal heights, but overall you can see the models are good agreement. There are some fluctuations in strength in the trough in the east, but overall they're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for the west, forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more, and near to below normal temperatures are forecast for the eastern states with anomalies of 2 degrees below normal. For precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. And we also, for the southern plains, the probability of occurrence is 45%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast here in the Four Corners and also east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. July 25th to the 29th. Here at the 25th. Now the flow is forecast to be a little more amplified compared to the previous period, but we still have the strong ridge over the western U.S., 594 DM. Here's our trough. And we take a look at the rest of the models. You can see they're a little more deeper. This is the European, and so a little more deeper with the trough. And then we go through time. We come to the 28th. Again, the European sum is a little more amplified with the trough in the east. So for this forecast period, forecasting a little change in the temperature anomalies. Still above normal here, as much as 12 or more degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures here, about 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 45%. That's a long-range weather forecast discussion for July 17th to 29th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.